Hello, welcome back to my channel Cinyunglove. So today's topic is about my Preloved handbags collection that I bought from a Preloved market, of course. So I still have 6 second handbags in my collections, and I will show you guys one by one what's still left in my collections. So keep watching guys, and let's get started. So first, let me show you what is it. So first I bought this Lady Dior. Ta-da! This Lady Dior was, the first owner was bought this in 2013, and I bought it in 2018, which is I can save around 55% from the retail price. So I'm quite happy when I purchased this handbag and add it into my classic collections. Ta-da! Lady Dior. So when I bought this bag, it doesn't came with the Dior card, the maintenance card or receipt or the box. So I only got this with the dust bag. But because I trust the seller and she can guarantee 100% if it's fake, she can return my money 100%, so I don't mind. That's why I purchased this bag. And if you want to know how my tips and tricks buying the Preloved handbags from second hand, I will link the video here, and I will put the link in my description box. I have also the Chanel reissue in the 226 size. I didn't find it very often in the Preloved market, so that's why when I found it in the Preloved market, I need to be fast to contact the seller. If not, then maybe it will get to somebody else. And before I buy my classic flap, I was in a dilemma at that time within I will buy the Chanel classic flap or I just bought the reissue, because I love the reissue so much guys. But thank God at that time in the boutique I decided to buy the Chanel classic flap in a medium size. And because I'm thinking about the resale price of the reissue is low guys, is low compared with the Chanel classic, so that's why I think I need to buy this in the Preloved market. It really is my money. And also for the Chanel classic flap, now it's already increased again guys, so yeah, I won't regret to buying the Chanel classic piece. So this size was in the between of a Chanel medium and also Chanel jumbo. So this one in the middle, and with this bag I can use it as a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. Although the chain is quite heavy, but I don't mind. I can use it as a crossbody. So I don't mind at all. I love it. I still love it. And if the Preloved market has a ruthenium, I think I'm gonna buy the ruthenium one. Oh my god, it's a vintage look, so that's why I love it so much. But the gold is not bad also, it's also pretty guys. But if there's an option of ruthenium and gold, I will choose the ruthenium because of the vintage look. And next I got the Mulberry. This Mulberry bag has been with me since December 2019, and the first owner bought it in the 2016, and at the time she bought this from the store, the price is around 23 millions, and I bought it in the 2019, so 3 years after the first owner bought it, it was 1/3 of the price she bought it. So I got this. So I got this bag in 7.5 million rupiahs, so I can save a lot of money guys compared if I want to buy it from the store. So this Mulberry, yeah, see that? I love this Alexa bag. Yay! Did you guys watch my review about this bag when I was in Japan in the Mount of Moiwa mountain, when I was very cold at that time in the top of the mountain? But I love it so much. So you guys must watch that video guys. What's in my bag of Alexa bag Mulberry on the mountain, I mean. So you must watch that. I will link in here. So that's my experience of wearing this. Yeah, love it so much. And the next is from Hermes. So this Lindy in the size 30 because it's 30 centimeters. I bought this in a very good condition at that time. And for Hermes bag, for the Preloved, you cannot save a lot of money from a Preloved item, especially when it's still in a very good condition and also in the natural color. Yeah, but in this colorful color like orange, I think the price is cheaper than the natural color such as like a taupe or gold or black color. So the color like orange or red, the price is quite friendly compared with the natural color. So I never regret buying this Lindy because it's very lovely. The color is very pop-up. I almost want to sell it, but thanks God I didn't sell it because this present time, I don't think in that amount I can buy the Lindy again because it's already increased the price. And also, this one is in the stamp R. It comes with the original receipt, box, and dust bag. So, love it so much. Full package. Yeah, complete package. And next is from Hermes again. It's a herbag in the 31. So, if you want to buy herbag in the Preloved market secondhand, so make sure this one is not broken very much. It's still in an acceptable condition. Mine, I can tolerate it. And this one is in the stamp R also, but still, I think it's still acceptable. This one, if I compare with the new price, when I bought it, I can save 50% from the new price. So, not bad, right? 6 years old bag. Yeah. And the next is this one. I think this one is the last. Yeah, I think it's the last. So this is the Garden Party in the size 30. And this price, when I bought it, is not significantly different with the new price, with the new bag when I bought in the store. But the store doesn't available for this size. They're only available for 36. Yeah, 36. But I love it so much. This bag is in the stamp X, so it's not a very old bag. I think it's still 3 or 4 years ago. And still in a good condition. Ta-da! It's in the Nagoda leather. Ta-da! See this. So that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful for you. If you are looking for the Preloved bags, I hope this will inspire you. Which is, I like it buying from Preloved because I can save more money. But it depends on the bags, which is better to buy in a new or in a second hand. So I will put the tips and tricks how to buy it in the Preloved market in the link description box below and also in here. You can link it. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up and please share this video. I will very appreciate it. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.